Statistical tests are like detective tools. They help us uncover hidden clues in data. Imagine you have a mountain of information. Statistical tests help you make sense of it all. These tests use math to find patterns and relationships. They tell us if our observations are random or meaningful. Think of it like this. You flip a coin 10 times and get heads every time. A statistical test can tell you if the coin is rigged. Statistical tests are used in many fields. Scientists, economists, and even marketers use them. They help us make better decisions based on evidence. There are many types of statistical tests. Each one is designed for a specific purpose. Let's explore a few common ones. First, we have the t-test. This test compares two groups. For example, we can use it to see if a new drug works better than a placebo. Next, the chi-square test examines relationships between categories. Imagine you want to know if there's a link between smoking and lung cancer. This test can help. Finally, ANOVA stands for analysis of variance. It compares three or more groups. Let's say you want to test different fertilizers on plant growth. ANOVA can tell you which one works best. Statistical tests have countless applications in the real world. In medicine, they help develop new treatments and test their effectiveness. Drug trials rely heavily on statistical analysis. In business, statistical tests guide marketing campaigns and product development. Companies use them to understand consumer behavior and make informed decisions. For example, A/B testing uses statistics to see which website design performs better. Even in our daily lives, we encounter the results of statistical tests. Weather forecasts use them to predict the likelihood of rain. Polls rely on them to gauge public opinion. Statistical tests are crucial for making informed decisions. They help us separate fact from fiction and avoid jumping to conclusions. Without them, we risk basing our decisions on flawed assumptions. By using statistical tests, we can be more confident in our findings. They provide a level of objectivity and rigor to our research and analysis. This is essential for advancing knowledge and making progress in any field. In a world overflowing with data, statistical tests are more important than ever. They empower us to navigate the information age and make sense of the complex world around us.